Welcome to Skin and Health Hub, your home for natural beauty and simple DIY skincare that loves your skin back. Remember that special date you were so excited about, but you couldn't wear your favorite handless dress because of your dark underarms? But what if there was a simple fix you could do right at home, so you never have to hide your arms again? Here's what you'll need for exfoliation: baking soda, salt, turmeric, fresh lime, and honey. Each ingredient gently removes dead skin and helps brighten your underarms over time. Add 1 spoon of baking soda into your bowl, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and squeeze in lime juice drop by drop. When you add honey, everything comes together beautifully. Mix until it turns into a smooth, creamy paste your skin will love. When applying, use gentle circular motions on your underarms for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. This clears away dead skin, unclogs pores, and leaves your skin feeling fresh and smooth. Next is moisture therapy. You'll need BluesealVaseline and coconut oil. Combine a small amount of both in your hand and apply a thin layer to your underarms every night. This nourishes, hydrates, and softens your skin while you sleep. Nighttime is when your skin absorbs everything deeply. That is where the real magic happens. Consistency is key. Follow this routine 2 to 4 times a week for exfoliation and every night for moisturizing. Pair it with good hygiene and hydration to boost results. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Your skin needs care, not aggression. Soon, you won't need to hide under long sleeves in hot weather. You'll feel confident wearing whatever you want. Sleeveless tops, tank tops, even that dream dinner gown. Remember, it's not just about lighter skin. It's about confidence, comfort, and loving the skin you're in. Save this routine, stick with it, and watch your underarms transform. Your confidence starts right here, right now. Like this video, save it so you don't forget, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.